Welcome, Gray Fox. People flocks to see the Gray Fox. Nice street, great blocks. People gawks at the detached Gray Fox. Access amenities on walks. Yard privacy, cause the fence blocks room for a sandbox. Anybody home? 3 knocks, main floor rocks. Weird sign, nice buttocks. Icebox, crazy socks. Large bedroom for activities or talks. Playing Xbox, feature wall rocks. Long locks, wanna see? Contact your realtors. Inbox if you buy Gray Fox. You move in, then you unbox. I'm not Dr. Seuss, it's Scotty, Mr. Unorthodox. 193, Gray Fox, Gray Fox, Gray Fox.
Gray Fox, Gray Fox. I clearly have been reading too much Dr. Seuss to my son. Hi, it's Scott Henderson. This is my newest listing. I'm really excited about it. 193 Gray Fox Drive in Kitchener. 3 bedrooms, and I love the way this home's finished. Great opportunity to get into the detached market. Let's check it out. First, coming in, foyer, closet for coats, boots, just random storage. Up here, that's where the bedrooms are. Here we've got the inside entry from the garage, which is great, especially in the wintertime. Plus there's lots of storage in there, which I like. Main floor, nice and open. Love this space, but listen, do you guys smell that? I'm making cookies. Cookies. It's very homey in here, which is nice. Kitchen has a nice flow, and oh, that's right. Peanut butter chocolate chip. My favorite. Nice clean kitchen, white on white on white. Beautiful. Shaker style, nice cabinets. Great kitchen flowing into a dining area. This is nice. I like what they did here. There's that sign from the video. Then from your dining, you've got all this space right here for a living room, which is great. And you know what? You gotta have that perfect spot for a TV, and this has it right here. So you cooked your meal, you sat down, you had a beautiful dinner, it's lovely. Now you decide to go outside, open it up, sliding doors, gorgeous deck, nice deep yard. So the main floor was beautiful, but now let's check out upstairs. We're all spending a lot more time at home these days. So a beautiful primary bedroom. It's kind of nice. This one, oh, I love it. Look at this primary bedroom. The wall there, tone on tone, a little bit of depth. So hot right now. Room for a giant bed. And then look at this, bed and all this floor space. You put desk here, you do activities. That's my attempt at a push-up. Double door closets. Upstairs, there's 2 additional bedrooms, both good sizes. You could always use one as an office. Both of them overlook the backyard, which is nice. And then, of course, here's your linen closet for your linens. Upstairs, we've got a beautiful 4-piece bathroom, shower and tub. Love it. Need extra space? There's a basement, unfinished, which I love. Great place to do a bunch of activities, maybe a home gym, play area. If you do need the space and need to finish it, already got the studs, already got the insulation, but I'd leave it the way it is. You can roller skate down here, cement floor, there's your washer dryer, come around. Need an extra toilet? That right there. That's your rough end. Easy peasy.
Welcome, Gray Fox. People flocks to see the Gray Fox. Nice street, great blocks. People gawks at the detached Gray Fox. Access access amenities on walks, yard privacy, cause the fence blocks room for a sandbox. Anybody home? 3 knocks, main floor rocks, weird sign, nice bud talks, icebox, crazy socks, large bedroom for activities or talks, playing Xbox, feature wall rocks, long locks, wanna see, contact your realtors, inbox if you buy Gray Fox, you move in then you unbox. I'm not Dr. Seuss, it's Scotty, Mr. Unorthodox. 193 Gray Fox, Gray Fox, Gray Fox.
You watched the whole video. This has been 193 Gray Fox Drive in Kitchener. If you love this listing as much as I do, check out the photos, the floor plans, the virtual tour. And then if you're still in love, contact your realtor, book yourself a private viewing. Till next time, I'm Scotty. Stay safe out there.